Hi everyone, it's Huawei Mediapad T3 10.0. Its price all over the world is $250. Today we are unboxing it and discuss about its features. So let's do it. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. This is new Huawei Mediapad T310. It's a latest model. 2G, 3G and 4G LTE supported, GPR and Edge sports. It was launched and available all over the world in March 2018. Its body dimensions are 229.8, 159.8 and 8 mm thickness. Its weight is 460 gram. Micro SIM supported. Display size is 9.6 inches. IPS capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. 157 pixel density. Multi-touch EMUI 5.1. Android 7.0 Nougat, which is supported up to 8.0. Dedicated memory card slot and nano SIM supported. Its internal memory is 16 GB with 2 GB RAM. Its processor is quad-core 1.4 GHz, Cortex A53, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425. Its rear camera is 5 megapixel autofocus, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, 1080 pixels video recording. Its front camera is 2 megapixel. Wi-Fi, FM, micro USB 2.0 OTG supported, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, 4800 mAh long battery. Its accessories are data cable, we can connect hand-free also,